Vintage estate sale find. Mcswain Estate Toys. Made in Germany. C. Rosenfelder Company. Circa 1934. Mantel clock. Mcswain Estate Toys and More. Let's close the back door now and spin it around to the front and give you a look at how gorgeous this clock is. Okay, let's get some light on it. This is a wonderful Rosenfelder Company mantle clock with the trademark Mark Time stamp on front. I'm going to go ahead on and close this front case. Okay, this is a 8-day German-made C. Rosenfelder mantle clock. Gorgeous, very well kept. This item and many more offered by the Mcswain Estate Toys and More. Come see it on eBay. Bidders, good luck.